The main difference is the size and the quality. You're with the expert, Dr. Racz. It's all in the name. This is a Racz Lab.
This lab, I think Dr. Racz, I heard about him for a long time actually. I heard about this procedure, but it's nice to come here to talk with him, and he shared a lot of his information. I think it's good, and very good.
I've been to this lab before. This might be my third time over the last 5 or 6 years. Dr. Racz is phenomenal. I mean, he's a giant in the field of pain management, one of the founders, and I always like hearing his stories, and he's a very good teacher.
Pienso que es un laboratorio donde hay una diversidad grande de procedimientos.
Well, I think there is very innovative and strategic in terms of having a hands-on training, and there's a clear concept which you are trying to teach. So it's just for people to be able to do it properly and then see what results they get.
He talked about all his own experiences, what you don't have to do, and what to do when you have a trouble with the patient. I think that's very important because nobody shares that kind of stuff with us.
This is the doctor who invented most of the procedures that you're going to be learning, and I think that's a critical difference. Plus, you get a chance to work one-on-one with him and talk to him one-on-one. I think it's just a great experience, a rare opportunity. I thought I was lucky to be a fellow with him when I was, and now this is like doing a mini fellowship all over again.